Hi guys, welcome to Velours Floral Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this journal slash planner. You could really turn it into anything you want, and if you're interested in a video like this, please keep on watching. For this project, you will need a brush of some sort, a dish to hold your Mod Podge glue, a blank journal, and some tissue paper and scissors. The first thing I did was measure how much tissue paper I would need, and then cutting just the shape of my planner. Once you have your paper all cut to size, then I put the Mod Podge along the whole side of the planner, covering the whole thing really well. Then I placed my first sheet of paper perfectly along the edge and went from one side to the other, just adhering it down. Once I had both sides done, I just set it up to dry, and that's it. It was super simple. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos along the lines of crafts and flowers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in other video suggestions, I would recommend this Mod Podge pumpkin video, which is very similar to this, very easy to do. And then I also did a styled shoot up in Mount Lassen. It was very boho, and you can click on that if you're interested in watching.